Number 1. 1979 Toyota pickup, $3,200, Wichita Falls, Texas. The 1979 Toyota pickup is one of the most respected compact trucks ever built, known for exceptional reliability and simplicity. This example is powered by Toyota's legendary 2.2-liter 20R four-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. The seller reports that it runs, drives, stops properly, and even has functioning air conditioning, which is a valuable feature in a classic compact truck. Numerous new parts installed over the last 2 years further improve its appeal. With its clean appearance and strong mechanical reputation, this Toyota offers an affordable entry into the increasingly collectible world of vintage Japanese pickups. Number 2. 1986 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive, $4,500, Sheridan, California. This 1986 Ford F-250 is a heavy-duty four-wheel drive pickup equipped with Ford's powerful 460 cubic-inch V8 engine. While the engine is currently seized due to issues caused by a former repair shop, the truck benefits from extensive recent upgrades, including new brake components, fuel tanks, fuel lines, hoses, a rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor, and custom wheels. These improvements represent significant value for a buyer willing to rebuild or replace the engine. Given the popularity of 1980s Ford trucks, this F-250 offers strong restoration potential. Number 3. 1978 Chevrolet El Camino 383-stroker, $4,000, Fort Collins, Colorado. The Chevrolet El Camino remains one of the most unique vehicles ever produced, combining muscle car performance with pickup truck utility. This 1978 example features a highly modified 383 cubic-inch stroker V8 with performance upgrades including a racing camshaft, hooker headers, Holly Street Demon carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, and turbo-hydromatic 400 transmission with shift kit and stall converter. Despite sitting for an extended period, the seller reports that it starts easily and runs exceptionally well. For enthusiasts seeking affordable classic American performance, this El Camino delivers impressive horsepower and distinctive style. Number 4. 1951 Dodge Pump Truck, $3,000, Shoshone, Idaho. This 1951 Dodge Pump Truck is a fascinating piece of American utility vehicle history. Originally serving as a military Air Force truck, it remains largely original and retains its flathead 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission. With only 30,000 miles showing, the truck reportedly runs and drives well while maintaining functional brakes, thanks to a vacuum booster system. Classic Dodge trucks from this era are admired for their rugged styling and mechanical simplicity, making this example a unique collectible with historical significance. Number 5. 1964 Ford F-100, $13,000, Kelso, Washington. This customized 1964 Ford F-100 combines classic Ford styling with practical upgrades for modern cruising. Under the hood is a desirable 351 Windsor V8 paired with an FMX 3-speed automatic transmission. Additional features include power steering, power brakes, dual glass pack exhaust, refurbished seating, new wheels and tires, and a rebuilt transmission with only 2,223 miles of use. While the truck retains its original steering characteristics, it offers the unmistakable charm and driving experience that make mid-1960s Ford pickups highly sought after by collectors. Number 6. 1973 Ford F100, $13,500, Windsor, Colorado. The 1973 Ford F100 marks the beginning of Ford's iconic sixth-generation pickup series. This numbers-matching example retains its original 360 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, a combination that adds to its authenticity and collector appeal. Recent maintenance includes a new carburetor, ignition components, distributor, and fuel pump. With 86,000 miles, a clean title, and reportedly everything functioning properly, this truck represents a well-preserved classic that can be enjoyed immediately. Number 7. 1940 Plymouth PT105 pickup, $8,800, Fairchild Air Force Base, Washington. This 1940 Plymouth PT105 is a beautifully preserved pre-war pickup that has undergone an extensive 5-year mechanical restoration. The rebuilt 6-cylinder engine, restored brake system, refinished heater, new fuel tank, custom wood interior, reupholstered seat, and freshly constructed wood bed demonstrate the level of care invested in the truck. Showing only 28,000 miles and retaining much of its original bodywork, this Plymouth offers an authentic glimpse into early American truck design while remaining highly usable for shows and local cruising. Number 8. 1977 Ford F-250 Ranger 4-wheel drive, $6,500, Sandpoint, Idaho. The 1977 Ford F-250 Ranger is part of one of Ford's most beloved truck generations. Equipped with factory 4-wheel drive and the upscale Ranger trim package, it has strong collector appeal. However, the engine has been removed from the truck, making it a project rather than a driver. Despite this, solid 4-wheel drive Ford pickups from the 1970s continue to attract enthusiasts due to their rugged styling, durability, and growing market demand. Number 9. 1976 Chevrolet K10 short bed 4-wheel drive, $14,000, Morro Bay, California. Square body Chevrolet trucks remain among the hottest segments of the classic truck market, and this 1976 K10 short bed is a prime example. Powered by its original 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, the truck has received extensive maintenance, including a professionally tuned quadrajet carburetor, ignition upgrades, fuel system service, cooling system maintenance, and new BF Goodrich tires. The desirable short bed configuration and 4-wheel drive drivetrain significantly enhance its collector value, while its strong mechanical condition makes it ready for immediate enjoyment. Number 10. 1968 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $7,500, Antelope, California. This 1968 Ford F-250 Camper Special has been extensively upgraded while retaining its classic character. A rebuilt 390 cubic inch V8 engine and rebuilt C6 automatic transmission form the foundation of the truck's mechanical package. Additional improvements include upgraded wiring, modern charging system, aluminum radiator, rebuilt braking system, power steering conversion, performance camshaft, headers, and a custom exhaust system. With minimal rust and substantial documentation, this camper special offers a rare blend of vintage style and modern reliability. Number 11. 1978 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special, $7,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. The Chevrolet C20 Camper Special was designed for serious hauling and recreational use. This example features Chevrolet's legendary 454 cubic inch big block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The Tommy liftgate adds utility, while the classic two-tone paint scheme captures the rugged appearance of late 1970s square-body trucks. Although it would benefit from restoration, the combination of a big block engine, camper special package, and clean title makes it a highly attractive project for classic truck enthusiasts. Number 12. 1960 Ford F100, $14,000, Encino, California. This exceptionally original 1960 Ford F100 offers a rare opportunity to own a well-preserved piece of Ford truck history. Powered by the dependable 223 cubic inch inline-six engine and column shift manual transmission, the truck has spent its entire life in California, helping preserve its condition. With fewer than 85,000 original miles and only one previous owner, it represents the kind of authentic survivor that collectors increasingly seek. Its originality and documented history make it particularly appealing. Number 13. 1976 Chevrolet Scottsdale Stepside, $13,500, Visalia, California. This 1976 Chevrolet Scottsdale Stepside combines one of Chevrolet's most desirable body styles with a later model 1991 Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine. The truck reportedly runs and drives strongly while remaining exceptionally dry and rust-free. The short bed stepside configuration continues to be highly sought after by collectors, and the truck's solid foundation makes it an excellent candidate for cosmetic restoration. Its classic appearance and upgraded powertrain create a compelling package for enthusiasts. Number 14. 1989 Ford F-250, $500, Grahm, Washington. At just $500, this 1989 Ford F-250 represents one of the most affordable classic truck projects available. Powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, the truck currently does not run and will require towing. The seller suspects a failed fuel pump, which could potentially be a relatively simple repair. With a clean title and the growing popularity of late 1980s Ford trucks, this F-250 offers substantial value for buyers willing to perform mechanical work. Number 15. 1978 Toyota Hilux, $9,500, Oxnard, California. The Toyota Hilux has earned a worldwide reputation for durability, and this 1978 example showcases why these trucks have become highly collectible. Featuring a fresh frame-off paint job with gold pearl finish, a rebuilt 20R engine, manual transmission, and numerous new components, this truck presents extremely well. The rust-free body is particularly desirable, as many surviving examples have suffered corrosion over the years. Combining reliability, attractive styling, and increasing collector demand, this Hilux is one of the standout Japanese classics in this group. Number 16, 1987 Nissan Datsun pickup, $6,000, South El Monte, California. This 1987 Nissan Datsun pickup represents the final years of Nissan's highly respected compact truck lineage. Equipped with a manual transmission and showing just 16,890 miles on the odometer, it offers a simple and dependable driving experience that made these trucks famous worldwide. Classic Japanese pickups continue to gain popularity among collectors due to their reliability, affordability, and ease of maintenance. With a clean title and negotiable pricing, this Nissan presents an attractive opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a practical vintage truck.